In a significant operation targeting the local narcotics trade, a large consignment of Bishalgarh Police conducted a surprise raid on the residence of a notorious, previously convicted drug peddler known as Bhutto on Saturday night. The raid, which took place under the cover of darkness, saw officers from multiple units descend upon Bhutto's home to carry out an extensive search. While the precise findings of the search have not been officially disclosed, the operation is believed to be a direct follow-up to a major drug bust earlier this week. According to highly placed police sources, the raid is linked to the recent recovery of a substantial consignment of narcotic substances from the Jirania railway station. While details remain under wraps, preliminary investigations suggest a potential connection between the seized contraband and Bhutto's network. Reporter Bajiwan from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.